We're here at Bass Retreat Center, the main road, and as we were starting to do the process on removing this hackberry that's dangerous for visitors, we found a lion's mane mushroom growing inside of the rotted trunk. So this is a species that's really good for its nootropic qualities, and it's very good for everyone. And we are going to be producing that here at some point, but it was really great to find a couple in a tree already. So we'll harvest this mushroom, collect the spores, and store them, and we'll use it to grow more of them here on site, given that it's already happy in our environment versus, say, one in Oregon or Montana. So this one already thrives here, and we'll use it to propagate from.